Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are diving into the world of metallic shorts and how to style them for summer. Metallic shorts are bold and trendy statement piece that can elevate your summer wardrobe. Whether you are aiming for a casual day look or a glitzy night out, these shorts can be styled in various ways to suit any occasion. Let's explore some fabulous metallic short summer outfit ideas that will have you shining all season long. Metallic shorts can be effortlessly styled for a chic yet casual daytime look. Here are some ideas to get you started. Pair your metallic shorts with a fun graphic tee for a relaxed yet stylish look. Choose a tee with a vibrant print or slogan that complements the color of your shorts. Complete the outfit with some white sneakers and a crossbody bag. This ensemble is perfect for a day of shopping or hanging out with friends. For a simple and breezy summer look, pair metallic shorts with a basic tank top. Opt for a neutral color tank to balance the boldness of the shorts. Add some flat sandals and oversized sunglasses to complete the look. This outfit is perfect for casual day out or a summer picnic. Metallic shorts can add a touch of glam to your beach wear. Here are some beach ready metallic short outfits. Use your metallic shorts as a cover up over your swimsuit for a chic beach look. Choose a swimsuit in a complementary color to create a cohesive outfit. Pair the look with flip flops and a wide brimmed hat for sun protection. This ensemble is perfect for lounging by the pool or taking a stroll on the beach. Pair metallic shorts with a crop top for a trendy and comfortable beach outfit. Opt for a crop top with a fun print or bright color to match the summer vibe, and add some strappy sandals and a beach bag to complete the look. This outfit is ideal for beach parties or seaside cafes. Metallic shorts can easily transition into evening wear, adding a touch of sparkle to your night out looks. Here are some evening metallic short outfit ideas. Pair metallic shorts with a silky blouse for an elegant summer evening look. Choose a blouse in a solid color to let the shorts stand out. Add some high heels and statement jewelry to complete the look. This outfit is perfect for a summer night out or a dinner date. For a sleek and sophisticated look, pair metallic shorts with a fitted bodysuit. Opt for a bodysuit with interesting details like deep V-neck or lace-up designs. Add some strappy heels and a clutch bag to finish the look. This ensemble is perfect for a night of dancing or a cocktail party. Metallic shorts are a great choice for festival fashion, offering a fun and eye-catching option. Here are some festival-ready metallic short outfits. Pair metallic shorts with a fringe top or a boho-inspired festival look. Choose a top with fringe details that add movement and texture to your outfit. Complete the look with some ankle boots and layered necklaces. This outfit is perfect for music festivals and outdoor concerts. Layer a kimono with the simple tank top and metallic shorts for a stylish festival look. Opt for a kimono with bold patterns or vibrant colors to make a statement. Yes, you can wear metallic shorts to the office with the right styling. They can be professional and chic. Here are some office ready metallic short outfits. Pair metallic shorts with a tailored blazer for a polished office look. Choose a blazer in a neutral color like black or white to balance the boldness of the shorts. Add a simple blouse and some pointed toe flats to complete the outfit. This look is perfect for a creative office environment for a summer work day. For a more traditional office look, pair metallic shorts with a crisp button down shirt. Opt for a shirt in a classic color like white or light blue. Add some loafers and a structured handbag to complete the outfit. This ensemble is ideal for a business casual office setting. Accessories can enhance your metallic shorts of outfits and add a personal touch to your style. Here are some accessory ideas. Adding a belt to your metallic shorts can create a defined waistline and add structure to your outfit. Choose a belt that complements the color and shine of your shorts. Layered necklaces, statement earrings, and chunky bracelets can add a touch of glam to your metallic shorts outfits. Choose jewelry that matches the metallic tones of your short fits for cohesive look. Complement your metallic short outfits with makeup and hairstyles that enhance your overall look. Thank you for watching Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope these metallic short summer outfit ideas inspire you to embrace this bold, trendy piece. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Share your favorite metallic short outfit ideas with us in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous and shine on this summer. Bye for now.